I quote verbatim the Honorable Chief Justice of India. We are dealing with something on unprecedented magnitude of violence against women in communal and sectarian violence. Tell me, it cannot be gainsaid that crimes are happening against women in Bengal also, but here the case is different. Tell me what is the suggestion from you in Manipur case. We cannot justify what happened in Manipur by saying that this has happened elsewhere. So the whataboutery narrative is shattered. Now, let me go by the history. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru attended the parliament when there was a crisis. Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji attended the parliament when Kashmir was burning. Rajiv Gandhi attended the parliament during when he was alleged for the Bofors scam. Why is Narendra Modi cannot find time to attend the parliament? He is happily flying drones, attending Jai Ho dance festivals. Why cannot he come to the parliament?
Respond, Sanju Verma.
Honorable Smriti Irani, the child and the women welfare minister. Let me finish, please. Let me finish.
Okay, let Riju Datta 30 more seconds. No, Sanju Verma, you had your say. These are his opening comments. Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Now, Smriti Irani, you have a very strong library in Times. Now, when she was asking for votes, campaigning in Manipur, she was dancing with the locals. Did she visit Manipur even once? And why is Mr. Narendra Modi not coming to the parliament? If he wants, we will arrange for a teleprompter. Let me see his bravado.
Okay, respond, Sanju Verma. Respond, Sanju Verma. And quoting from the Chief Justice, no whataboutery. Sanju Verma.
First and foremost, Riju Datta is so shameless. He says that we will arrange a teleprompter for the Prime Minister. First, you arrange a teleprompter for your incompetent Chief Minister, who even after the Kolkata High Court and Supreme Court told her that the license to hold force is not a license to violence, sets up Changasi in Bengal. And today, when the government was ready for a discussion on the floor of the House, the entire opposition scoot and scurry away. That is the policy that they've been following. This entire narrative about Rule 176 versus Rule 267 is just a hogwash because you do not want a discussion on the floor of the parliament. You did that during demonetization. You did that during the Ram Janmabhoomi judgment. You did that during Pegasus. You did that during farm protests. You did that during fuel price hike.
Okay.
And Riju Datta, your Mamata Banerjee said sab Changasi during Hamsa Khali. That case was handed over to CBI. So shut up and stop using abusive language for the Prime Minister.
Okay, quick response, Riju Datta, and then I want to bring in the Congress.
Can I come in now?
Yes.
Yes. We will not deal with the minions of Mr. Narendra Modi. We do not want a 2-hour discussion. We want a full discussion under an emergency rule. And talking about the parliament in 2021, when Narendra Modi spent 4 hours a day in Bengal, he spent only 4 hours in the entire parliament. The Prime Minister needs to attend the parliament. Enough of his tamashas.
But sir, how do you respond? How do you respond to the charge that there were members of the opposition who agreed to a short duration debate? Why did you back out at the last moment? 2 p.m. when Mr. Dhankar, he convened the Rajya Sabha, he said, let us start the discussion. Why did everyone continue to heckle and then walk out?
Exactly. Shoot and scoot. That is the politics these people
Because
follow.
from day one, forget today 2 p.m. is washed away. Today 2 p.m. is washed away. Tomorrow 11 a.m. I am saying on Times now, 11 a.m. let the Honorable Prime Minister choose his house, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, and come to the parliament.